Hi guys, welcome back to this new video. Today I'm very happy. I would like to show you a new thing. It's about a billing system. In the RHOSO cluster, by default, Red Hat didn't implement the billing system. We have the Ceilometer, which permits us to collect metrics from the VMs and projects, but unfortunately, we have not yet a native billing system integrated to the RHOSO, the last Red Hat OpenStack platform. So we receive a customer request to implement a billing system to be in order to permit to this customer to generate a report and finance report and send it to the end users. So we are just starting to work on this one, and regarding our first result, I would like to say let's make a video to share it to other person in the other admin systems and Red Hat users. Maybe they can get some insight or information to implement it also to the site. And if you gather many interesting information, please don't forget to like and share the video. This helps us to grow. Okay, yeah, okay. And let me show you how it looks like the implementation that we have done. Right now we have 3 instances in our cluster. Here I'm in a specific tenant. Okay, and before switch to another tenant, let's just test the creation of a new instance in this tenant. As you can see, this tenant have no instance created at the moment. If you go there, you have no instance created at the moment. Okay, there is no instance created at the moment in this particular tenant, as you can see, and all instances belongs to this other tenant. Okay, tenant dev.ui, but right now we are on this tenant. We are able to see those others VMs or instance because of this user is an admin user. This is why you see others instances from other projects. Okay, so let's come in back here. We will create a new instance, and we will see what will happen. I will launch a new instance. Let's call it a prod instance. Production, just to say production instance. 0, 1 or 10. It's up to you. And I will choose this availability zone. And next, I choose this cirrus as the image. And next, yes, I will take this flavor. And which one else? Okay, I will simply I will deploy it in the provider network directly. Okay, don't worry, no big deal with that, because the purpose is to see if our billing system will be able to detect this new instance created, and if we can have the billing which will be generated. Okay, right now the instance is up and running definitively, and let's see what will happen in few moments, because we have an update count here. It should be in the moment be able to detect the new instance created in our environment. And today's video is supposed to be a short video. I will not go deep dive in the YAML file configuration and details. I will just show you that something's working in this area, and depending on your comments, question and ask, we can develop more. And in this dashboard, we can also update the prices. Okay, depending on the usage of the different projects, we can update the prices. Right now, here is the pricing assigned to each vCPU, memory, and so on. But you can increase the pricing. We have a button generated here that I've created to permit us to update the price. Let's refresh it manually. I go here, see here. As you can see, the instance is there, the last instance created, and it is located on this particular hypervisor. Okay. Great. Okay, as you can see, the new instance has been successfully detected in this particular new tenant project. Yeah, so as you can see, this is working. We can also, if you would like later to update the prices, this interface permits us to update the prices. Okay, the pricing. Let's cancel this one. And how have we implemented these solutions? Just so you are basing this solution on the Ceilometer. Okay, because when you deploy your OpenStack RHOSO cluster and you deploy the telemetry, okay, we will be able to gather data from the VMs project and so on, and it is based on this data that we are able to generate the billing. Here, for instance, if I go back here and I see okay. If I hit this command, for instance, we can see a bunch of parameters that you can use to generate the billing. Okay, it is based on Ceilometer. This is this OpenStack project, which permits to collect data of usage in your OpenStack cluster, and it will be based on this data that I will be able to say during among a certain period that VM has been running, and I can generate billing for these VMs. Same things for the CPU usage, the device, the hard driver usage, and also we can generate billing about the times of how many times of these VMs have been running. Okay, so it is definitely possible. and you can link this report to the different flavor used by the VM. Yeah, this means that many things can be done in the billing area if you would like. So after done that, and what thing else I can show you? At the moment, yeah, how am I implementing this one? Okay, it is based on a customized YAML file. In this file, for instance, I have defined the RBAC configuration now, and also the pricing. It is for initialization, okay? Because later I will be able to update this one later. After done that, we have to create the YAML file for the collector. Okay, we have to connect to the Prometheus system for monitoring. Connect to it and gather or grab information about from this Prometheus system in your OpenShift cluster. And once you have all those information though, here is it. It is okay. So we connect to the Prometheus systems and to gathering all information or data from the VM project or usage. Okay, so regarding the amount of times we can calculate and generate how many data have been consuming, how many drives have been consuming, how many CPUs has been consuming by each VM in the particular project. And after done that, and we have all informations, and from there we can also create. I have created an API that permits us to, if you would like to export this information or to let other external system to come in and grab this billing information is possible. So I prepare an API functions to permit us to let our external system to connect to our system and grab and gathering billing information of your RHOSO cluster. And after done that last one, we have to, because not every person which are used to the console, because when the billing system has been created, it should be a letter to the HR, for instance, or the HR, for instance, to see what is the amount of price we shall pay by the end of the month, for instance. Okay, so this is why we are preparing the dashboard. Okay, the dashboard on this file we have to deploy the dashboard, as you can see here. It is an interesting dashboard, as you can see. And from this dashboard, you can view the consume and in real time, this dashboard is updated, as you can see here. So I will let you to feedback me in the comments, and based on your feedback I receive, if you would like, I can improve this content. And also in the GitHub, I think that I will let the YAML file, I will post it there, and in order to let you able to download this one also. And maybe I will write also in our blog post, I will write a new content about this billing system or implementation. It will be on EC Intelligence. In our website, I will create a new blog post about this one, and just to let you know how I implemented or created this one. And if you have also a specific customer request in this area, feel free to reach out to us, and we will be very proud to reply to you. So guys, thank you very much. I hope that you gather much more or interesting information. and let's talk to you later, and take care. Bye for now.